Hi, I'm Kenton, and this is Kenton Knows. In this video, I'm going to update you on Amazon Key for Business. My first video explained how Amazon contacted me to install the Amazon Key for Business at several of my 4-unit properties. And not only was it free, but they actually gave me a $100 Amazon credit for allowing them to install it. If you'd like to check out that video, first, the link is above and below in the description, even though I created and posted that video on September 30th, 2020. There have been some updates and I thought I should share them with you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell. Now, to start, I'm happy to report that there have not been any issues with the 3 properties that Amazon Key for Business installed it at, which is great news. However, I do have some disappointing news as well, which I will get to in a minute. After I posted the video, I had several great comments on the video. The tenants were excited and I was thrilled at the prospect of not having to hear from my tenants about packages getting stolen, as Amazon would be able to deliver them all into the secure lobby at these properties. I then had Stevenson, who is a development manager at Amazon, reach out to me directly with his contact info for anyone to contact him personally to set up their Amazon Key for Business, which I thought was fabulous. He said he loved the video and was interested in real estate, which was also great. So everything's looking wonderful at this point, and I went ahead and contacted a low voltage installer to add a buzzer entry for another property I have. This is another 4-unit building in Chicago, and it took a few weeks to get the vendor lined up, the parts ordered, and then to get it installed. Here I was, all excited. I had a direct contact with Amazon Key, and I was going to get another building all set up. So I worked through the install of the new electric strike, and I also have new mailboxes installed in the lobby area. Then I line up the US Post Office to add a lock into the exterior buzzer. And of course, I'm continually updating the tenants on the progress, and they are excited about the prospect of knowing Amazon packages will all be delivered into the lobby in the near future, just in time for the holidays. I'm thinking this is great, and I reach out to Amazon to set up the install. And nothing. Then I get an email about needing 10 units or more for the Amazon Key program. I think this has been a mistake, so I call up the person who set up my first installs, and I'm on the phone for about 30 minutes while she's checking a bunch of things, and in the end, she says it's all set up, and I'll get an email shortly to set up the install. So I'm thinking, oh, the original email was just a mix-up, no worries. Then a week goes by, and I don't get an email. So I reach out to Stevenson, my contact at Amazon, and I say, hey, what's happening? Why can't I get this set up? He says he'll talk to his manager and see what he can do. A few days later, he tells me they changed the program to a minimum of 10 units per property. What? So I ask him, can I pay for it? Nope, it's a free program and I can't even pay for it to be installed. So now I've got to tell my tenants Amazon won't be installing it and I can't even pay them to install it. At least US Mail can deliver packages inside now. But still, it's really annoying that I couldn't get Amazon Key for Business installed at this property. I really hope they will reconsider or open it back up for other 4-unit properties in the future. Or maybe just offer it to me for a small fee. I'd gladly pay the small fee, as my only other alternative is to buy a large, ugly drop box and put it out in front of the property, which is fairly expensive, and there's clearly a better solution. So, if anyone at Amazon is watching, please see if you can make Amazon Key for Business available to smaller property owners, even if you charge us a small fee. I will gladly pay the fee to have it installed at my properties. I felt I really needed to update you since I realized the information in my first video was already outdated, and I did have to rant a little bit about my disappointment. I'd love to hear anyone else's experience with Amazon Key for Business. I hope you enjoyed watching this video update on Amazon Key for Business. If you'd like to hear more from me, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell. Please like the video and leave me any comments about this topic or anything else real estate related. Thank you for watching Kenton Knows.